So that's unlocked, that's locked. This is starting it up. Also, the light strip isn't working, and we also gotta get the headlight. What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back in the shop with another video. Today we might not be working in the shop. We might go out front and work out front because all I'm doing today is just updating the front end of the Tahoe. And I know in the last video, the Impala video, I said that I wasn't gonna be doing anything with the Tahoe, but I had already had the headlights and the LED beams and stuff like that for the Tahoe. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on and then change some light bulbs and stuff like that. And then when it gets dark, I'll show you guys what it looks like with the lights turned on and everything. Also, I'll probably show the taillights again, because I got a comment saying, could I demonstrate the taillights a little bit better? But we might do that as well when it gets dark, the sun goes down and everything. But we're gonna go ahead and try to throw these headlights in and the fog lights. And I don't have the headlight bulbs just yet. I just kind of want to see what it's gonna look like with the LED beams. But yeah, so I'm gonna update the front end of the truck, and I'm up and down with the truck. I don't know whether I'm gonna keep it, whether I'm gonna get rid of it. I kind of like the Tahoe, but the only thing that I'm apprehensive about is the amount of miles that the truck currently has on it. I know that it'll run for quite a while, but there again, you know, I never know what's gonna happen. And again, today we're on the iPhone because the G7X, once again, I can't upload the videos to the computer. So I hope that this is okay. It's not too grainy or whatever. Hopefully the iPhone is sufficient enough. But without further ado, let's go ahead and throw these headlights in, and I'll show you what it looks like in a second. But before I do, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get all the notifications when we upload a video, because like I always say, man, I'm trying to throw this content out there, you know what I mean? And I want to, you know, show people what I'm doing with, you know, my cars or whatever, you know, maybe be able to help somebody, whatever. It doesn't even matter, you know what I mean? But go ahead and support your boy, and we're gonna show you what these headlights look like. And then after that, I'll show you what it looks like in the dark. All right, we got one side out already. Super easy to get these things out. Literally this top one, you just pull these little black pins. There's one right there, one right there. Pop these out. I'll just set them down in there for now. The headlight pops right out. And then after I get these light bulbs out, I'll show you how to get the bottom one out. All right, so now that I got the headlights out, I don't know if you can see down here, but there's a little tab right there. You just push it in, and the headlight should pop right up out of there. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. There it is. Pops right out. Just take your lights out. It should be good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the bottom ones real quick. And then the top ones are gonna require a little bit of wiring. I think they're gonna go into these two down here because this is the only turn signal, and the wire has to go in the turn signal so that when the LED strip lights up and I hit the turn signal, it turns on. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. All right, grind schoolers, there she is. Got the new headlights in there. I didn't get to the fog lights down there or whatever, but you know, got the LED light strip in there. For whatever reason, I wired it into on this side, but for whatever reason, only the turn signal is working. So I got to figure that part out. But you know, that's what they look like. I guess when it gets darker, I'll show you what it looks like in the dark. But there you go. They look really good on here. All right, so as promised, I would do a video in the dark. The driver's side headlights aren't working right now because I didn't hook them up or whatever. Um, the LED at the bottom is not, for whatever reason, turning on. But let's see here. So that's unlocked. That's locked. It's just starting it up. Also, the light strip isn't working, and we also got to get the headlights. But for the most part, that's what those look like. And then we'll go over here, and then I'll show you what these look like up under here. Everything looks pretty nice. One of my somebody asked me to show a little bit more of the light at nighttime, so that's what I'm trying to do back here. I already made a video on the tail lights, but these are the tail lights. And then if we turn it off and then hit the unlock button, they flash twice. And then if I lock it, here, let me go unlock it, and there there's the reverse lights. They're super duper bright. And then also, like I said, I changed these up under here, so those are changed. And then you got the ones up front. So, but that's about it. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to show that in the dark. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm not all the way done. Like I said, I gotta still do the fog lights, and I gotta see why the day running lights aren't working for the light strip. So we'll investigate that a little bit later. I'm running out of time. And then I'll throw in a clip for the nighttime visual of the lights and everything, because pretty much every single light on this truck has been changed with the exception of the headlights. I gotta order some HID headlights and then go ahead and throw that in there. But yeah, truck is, I would say, it's kind of coming together. It's a little bit weird because I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but you know, I've already spent so much money into it. But go ahead, smack that like button, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all of our videos when we upload. And always remember, work hard so you can live free.